Hello, in this video we will see how we can install JetBrains Rider on Windows. To download JetBrains Rider, you can go to this website jetbrainsrider.com/rider. On this website, you can just click on download, and if you want to get a direct download page, you can move to this URL jetbrainsrider.com/rider/download, and once you are at this page, you can click on download, and here you will see the option Windows, Mac OS and Linux. You can select Windows and just click on the download button. Once that is done, it will give you the message, thank you for downloading Rider, and you will see download will start in the rightmost corner. You can see the progress of download, and once that download is complete, you will see that file in your download folder. So I have already downloaded that file. I will just go to my download folder. Okay, here it is. So you will see you will have a file that is .exe file with the name jetriderbrains.rider and with the version name. You can simply double click on that file. That will start the installation. After that, a normal installation wizard will start. Here you have to simply click next and just click on the install button. So here is the destination where it will install by default. You can change it or leave it as it is also. After that, it will give you some customization option. I will suggest to go with the default option and don't change anything here, and just click on the next. Here just click on the install option. It will start the installation. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes depending on your machine capacity. So let's wait for the installation to complete. Okay, so once the installation is completed, you will get this pop-up where you can tick this box, run JetBrains Rider, and when you click on the finish button, it will automatically launch the rider. Within few seconds, rider will open and you will get this message here, welcome to JetBrains, and along with that, it will ask you to start a license also. Okay, so what you can do, you can click on the free non-commercial use and you can say I agree with the term and condition, and for that you have to now log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can click on the register button and create an account on the browser itself. Once you click on the register button, it will open up the window in your browser. Here you can log in or you can create an account. So let me provide my email ID and create a new account here. And click on the sign up button. Once that is done, you will receive an email from JetBrains in your email. You can check your spam folder also. So let me go to my email box. So you will get an email something like that from JetBrains. Here you will see a link, confirm your account. So click on this confirm your account link. This will open a new tab. Here you need to fill out some details, your first name, last name and the username, and click on the submit. So let me do that. And then you have to click on these two check boxes and click on submit button. So once that is done, it means your account is created. Now you can come back to your JetBrains Rider, and here you can click on login for non-commercial use. So just click on that. It will again open your browser, and here now you can log in with your email ID and the password which you have just created, and click on the sign in button. Once that is done, you will get the message authorization successful. Now you can close this tab and you can simply go to your rider. You will notice now button is changed to start non-commercial use. You can click on this button. Once that is done, you will see you have received a license. This is your license ID and this is the date till when the license is valid. But according to JetBrains, once you will reach this date, they will automatically renew your license for 1 more year. Okay, so once that is done, you can click on continue, and now you can click on new solution to create a new project. You can give your solution name, project name. I will keep everything as default. Here you can select the .NET version that you want to select, and you can select the language in which you want to code. I will select C# here, and I will keep everything as default and just click on the create button. Once that is done, it will open up the solution along with the project console app 2. You can see here you have your program.cs file. So here is the hello world message, and to run the application you can right click on this. You can say run application, right? And if you want to build the application, you can select the build selected project option also. Okay, so you can right click on this and click on build selected projects. So build will start, and within few seconds you will get build completed without any warnings and errors. Okay, so this is how you can build, and if you want to run the application, you could right click and click on run the application. So your application will start running, and you will see, you will get the message hello world on the console window. So guys, this is how you can install JetBrains Rider in your Windows system and start using it.